Hello and welcome. So in the previous lecture, we have seen how to do the passive reconnaissance using curl and certificate transparency. But that process was a bit lengthy. ठीक है, उसमें हम क्या कर रहे थे? We were like manually sending the web request using curl and फिर हमें डेटा मिल रहा था, अपन JSON डेटा में कन्वर्ट कर रहे थे कंप्लीट रेस्पॉन्स को, और फिर उस डेटा को हम प्रोसेस कर रहे थे यूजिंग द JQ कमांड लाइन प्रोसेसर. In this lecture, we are going to use a pre-built tool which is called as the harvester. And as the name suggests, this tool will harvest all the subdomains related to the target network, which is facebook.com in this case. Okay, so let's go and see that in action. So using the tool is very simple. The name of the tool is the harvester. Capital H is there. So this is the spelling of the harvester. And in the first, we can do the dash dash help option. Okay, you can read this in your meantime, but I know how to use the tool, so I'm going to proceed with that. Okay, so this is the name of the tool. Using the dash d option, we can specify the domain which is facebook.com. और मैं बात कर चुका हूँ पिछले लेक्चर में कि .com जो है, that is the top level domain of this facebook.com, and this is definitely a fully qualified domain name which is facebook.com. Okay, and next thing is we can specify the dash b option. तो हमने जो प्रोजेक्ट यूज किया था लास्ट टाइम, दैट वाज द सर्टिफिकेट ट्रांसपेरेंसी प्रोजेक्ट. So I'm going to use the same project in this case to show you how the process is being automated using this tool, which is the harvester. So the name of the project is CRTSH as accepted by the harvester. And as simple as that, we are not going to save the data to any file or something. We are just going to hit enter. So as we can see, the tool is running. Now this is going to look up for the certificate transparency project for the domain facebook.com and gather all the subdomains and print it on the terminator. Okay, और फिर हमें output मिल जाएगा. So in a separate terminal, I'm going to show you how to save the data to a file. So we are going to use the tool called the harvester. Dash D option to specify the domain, which is facebook.com, and dash B to specify the source, which is CRTSH, and dash F option to specify the file to which we want to save the output. एंड आउटपुट जो है बाय डिफॉल्ट .json और .xml वाली फाइल्स में सेव हो जाएगा, बट हमें यहाँ पे फाइल का नाम लिखना है. सो लेट्स से इट इज CRTSH, as simple as that. Okay, so before running this command, I'll wait for the first command to proceed, and in the meantime we can go to Genie to write a bash script that will do all of the magic for us. Okay, तो कोई भी bash script अगर हम लिख रहे हैं तो the first line of the bash script should start with a shebang. So hashtag exclamatory mark followed by bin bash. So this is nothing but the path to the interpreter which is going to execute the code we are going to write. और bash programming जो language है, that is the bash scripting, इसके अंदर अगर हमें comment बनाना है तो we can use the hashtag symbol which is used to create comments. ठीक है. So first of all, what we are going to do, so let me show you the basic usage of this bash scripting. तो इसका basic usage हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. So for example, we can execute any Linux command here. So echo, we can do hello. Okay, so this is a very simple thing, and the name of the script is passive reconnaissance.sh. So let me show you that in practice. Let's navigate to the directory bash scripting. In do ls we have this thing. So passive reconnaissance.sh. अच्छा, पहले हम देख लेते हैं. यहाँ पे हमारे पास रिजल्ट आ चुका है द हार्वेस्टर का. तो यहाँ पे सारी डोमेन्स हमारे पास आ चुकी है, सारी सब डोमेन्स हमारे पास आ चुकी है. नाउ द गोल इज टू सेव ऑल ऑफ दीज सब डोमेन्स इन अ फाइल कॉल्ड CRTSH. उसके लिए हम ये वाला कमांड एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस विल सिंपली सेव द फाइल्स. दो तरह की फाइल से सेव करता है, .json एंड .xml. तो जो .json वाली फाइल है, दैट इज द फाइल विच इज इंटरेस्टिंग टू अस. तो एक चीज अपन ये देखी. नाउ द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग हियर इज, यहाँ पे एक प्रोजेक्ट है CRTSH विच इज द सर्टिफिकेट ट्रांसपेरेंसी. ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, मैं बता देता हूँ आपको कौन कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो. वी कैन डू dash dash help, and in the dash B option which is used to take the input of source, we can see we have a lot of source. तो मैंने मैनुअली एक एक सोर्स को यहाँ पे ट्राई किया है, और जो जो सोर्सेज यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं उनको मैंने एक फाइल में सेव किया है, राइट, विच विल डू ऑल ऑफ द मैजिक फॉर अस. लाइक we need to execute this command and facebook.com is going to be the domain, and dash b option के बाद आएगा हमारे पास source. Okay, तो facebook.com is the domain and we have the source, and by the dash f option we can save the JSON data and the XML data to a file which we will specify, जिसका नाम हम specify करेंगे. Okay, so we have a file called passive reconnaissance.sh. So this is an empty file. So let's go to Genie, and as we can see we have a very simple file. Or bash scripting में the first line of the code is always the shebang, which is simply the path of the interpreter which will be used to execute the code which we are going to write. And hashtag, ये जो hashtag है ना, ये use करके हम कोई भी comment लिख सकते हैं. And after that we can specify any Linux command as a command, as a piece of code. The special thing about bash scripting is that we don't need to compile the code जैसे हमें C++ Python में करना पड़ता है. यहाँ पे हमें कोई कोड कंपाइल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. We can directly execute the script using the terminator. So for example, we have it right here. We can first of all change the script to executable. तो ये जो script है इसको मैं executable बनाने वाला हूँ. So chmod plus x, and I'm going to do passive reconnaissance.sh. We can do ls, and as we can see this is now an executable. So we can just do // passive reconnaissance.sh, and we can hit enter, and as we can see we have hello. Okay, so this is the result of this script. So this was a very simple usage. Now the first thing is what I want is, मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं अपनी script के बाद में लिखूँ facebook.com, because I want to run the harvester against this domain. Okay, and for that I need to pass this as an input to my bash script. In the next lecture we are going to write a bash script in which we are going to pass the domain as an argument, and after passing the argument the bash script will run the harvester against the domain. For each of the source we are going to specify in the bash script as well. Okay, and all of the data will be saved to the JSON and XML files, और उन JSON फाइल्स में टोटल कितनी डोमेन्स है वो हम कैलकुलेट करके बताएंगे कि टोटल इतने डोमेन्स या इतने सब डोमेन्स हमें मिले यूजिंग द हार्वेस्टर. And at the same time we are going to use another tool which is called as subfinder, which is part of the project discovery.io in the same bash script. ठीक है, तो मिलता हूँ आपसे अगले लेक्चर में. टिल देन हैव अ वंडरफुल डे अहेड एंड थैंक यू.